Let's create your first Amazon Warehousing and Distribution or AWD shipment. From the AWD program page, click Create Shipment. First, you'll add inventory to send by selecting from your available SKUs or choosing File Upload. Then you'll choose your Ship From address and preferred Ship To region. A single shipment can contain up to 150 unique SKUs, but you can send multiple cartons for the same SKU. Next, you'll be able to view your shipping destination details and choose a shipping method. Regardless of the method, you'll then print the required Serialized Ship Container Code or SSCC box labels. Each label is unique for one box, and the labels must be placed flat and uncovered on the outside of each box to avoid delays or rejections. After you print and apply box labels, you will be asked to confirm your carrier and pallet information. If you use Amazon Partnered Carrier, Amazon will choose the lowest cost carrier for you and offer shipping dates based on availability. To change to a different carrier, select Change Carrier. Now you're ready to ship your products to an AWD distribution center. After your shipment is on its way, you can track the status of your shipment by going to the program page and clicking Track Shipments. View the tracking history on the Amazon Distribution Center Shipments tab.